What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you a crypto project that's going to be launching on January 29th. So if you are watching this video before, then project not launched yet. And if you're watching after the 29th, the project is already out. And the best part about it, this is a brand new project, but they already been building for a long time. I believe they started way before 2020. This project already have actual product and ecosystem. And this project easily can do 100x, and I believe in a bull run it can do 1000x. But before I'm gonna show you the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. And this project, it's called Ivan Pay. So let's take a look at their Twitter account. They also have a YouTube channel. You can pull it up over here and you can watch a quick video about this product in general. Then they have a website, and then if we scroll down, as you can see, one of the huge and probably one of the bullish news they have, that they're partner with the Binance Pay, and there's actual article. So if we open that up, it will take us to binance.com, and right here this article was posted on March 13, 2023, that they're partnering with the Ivan Pay, and you can just go over here and read a little bit more about this partnership. Then if we go back, as you can see, they also just recently did audit report, and if we pull up their audit report really quick, I'm just gonna show you the summary. The total is 9.8 out of 10. This is like amazing. A lot of projects are getting 8 out of 10 and it's still like top of the project, and this one did almost 10 out of 10. So this is amazing. Least likely that this project is gonna be hacked or anything is gonna happen to it. And then if we scroll down more, so they're also using it at the Club DAO in Hong Kong, one of their POS machines. Then they also got FinTrack license in Canada, so they're going to be able to operate in Canada. They've been mentioned in Forbes. And actually this post was made on May 2022, and they already been partnering, or they've been on Binance ecosystem. So if we're gonna pull it up really quick, as you can see right here, Ivan Pay even had an old logo. They already been on the Binance ecosystem since 2020. And then we can scroll more down and we can see that they're just keep adding more partners to their ecosystem. So then one more thing I want to show you, they already actually registered on CoinGecko. As of right now, this project is not launched like I mentioned earlier, but once you're going to be watching this video, if it's going to be after the 29th, then you're going to be able to see Ivan Pay and all the price and all the information, marketing and all that on CoinGecko. I'm sure they're probably going to be on CoinMarketCap as well. And then let's take a look at their website. So on their website, there's a couple things. You can look at the home, product, company and contract, but we're going to take a look at their partners. So Binance Pay, OKX, Zimabank, Gate.io, Market Making Pro, and FinTech House. And then if we scroll down, so this is what they're offering: POS machines, mobile app, e-commerce plugin, vending machine, and API integrations. So I think the most going to be used is going to be API integrations and POS machines, also mobile apps as well. So this is it. And then let's take a look at some of their partners. So this is their partners, like I mentioned, Binance Pay, and this is all the coins and network they're partnering with. That's amazing. They're partnering with all big major chains and with their tokens. As you can see, you can scroll down, and also they're constantly adding more partners. I think since last time I was on their website, they added a couple more partners. And then one more thing, let me show you the actual POS system. So this is what it's gonna look like a regular card reader, which you're just gonna have to do, either scan QR code and send money like that. Also in one of their AMAs, they mentioned that they're also gonna be integrating, or they're already working with NFC chip. As far as I know, there is no other competitors that using crypto with NFC. And this POS system also gonna have built-in printer and 4G wireless network. And then the last thing I wanted to show you, their entire ecosystem. So right here, as you can see, and it's not even updated because they have more countries. I think they added Canada and a couple other ones. E-commerce, and then media partners. This is on every media that they were mentioned, all the partners that they partner with, then the fiat payment systems, stable coins, all the blockchains, coins, wallet integrations, POS terminals as well. After the launch of token, this project is gonna go through the roof, and looks like pretty soon crypto-friendly cities or maybe store owners or businesses will be using Ivan Pay. And if you're gonna go through their Twitter account, you will be able to find that there are actually POS systems and vending machines already being used in Dubai as well. And this is pretty much it. This is the project that I want to share with you guys before it's actually going to be launched, or if you're watching after the 29, it's already launched, but it's still at the very early stage. You want to get into those projects before the bull run because they can do incredibly well during the actual peak. And this is it. Always do your own research before making any kind of moves, and thanks for watching.